Hi, welcome to the Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change navigation style in voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility and then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down again and then tap the navigation style. Then in this part, in the navigation style, if you want to change it to group, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. When the group is enabled, voiceover navigates by moving through items and groups of items on the screen. To move into a group, use a 2-finger swipe right. To leave a group, use 2-finger swipe left. And if you want to change it back to default navigation style, just tap it again, the flat, until there's also a check mark on the side. When the flat is enabled, voiceover navigates by moving sequentially through each item on the screen using the move next and previews commands. And that's it, we have successfully changed navigation style and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!